What is that smell? Who in here took a shit in the toilet and didn't flush? Mom, that was Samantha. Bitch, that was not me. That was probably you or Emma. Shut the fuck up. My shit don't smell like that. That was Kiana. The fuck? First of all, that was not me. That was Olivia. Bitch, I will shove this foot up your ass. That was not me. That was... Stop! What is this? Since nobody wants to own up to that big shit in the toilet, all y'all can clean it up. How about that?